Rob and Blac show off their new baby girl, and the video is adorable. Plus, Rob and Chyna do the mannequin challenge right before giving birth, and the video is awesome. Hey guys, it's Ali, and Rob and Chyna just had their baby, Dream Renee Kardashian, and just look how adorable she is. Rob even posted a photo of Dream captioned, "Today was amazing. I am so lucky. Thank you, Blac Chyna, for having our baby and being so strong. I love you so much and can't wait to see her get older day by day with you, Chy. I love you and Dream so much and appreciate both of you. I know everyone is saying that's my twin, but that's deaf your nose, Chy. LOL." Rob then posted another photo of Dream side by side with his late father captioned, "She's an exact copy. Pop sent us an angel. It's truly a blessing. He's happier than anyone on this day. I'm so happy and thankful. Good night." Oh, Rob. But all right, switching gears a bit. If you're wondering why Rob and Chyna called their daughter Dream, People magazine reports it's because they've always said she's a dream come true. Seriously, I might shed a tear soon. This is getting too cute. But okay, switching gears again, let's end with a laugh because right before Rob and Chy had their baby delivered, they decided to have some fun with the mannequin challenge, and it is amazing. I love this, and you can click up here to see our version of the mannequin challenge as well. It's rad, can't lie. But all right, I have to hear from you guys. How cute is Dream Kardashian?